Mangaluru, one of the major port city and major educational, commercial, industrial and healthcare hub on the west coast of India, located between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats mountain range. Mangaluru is the only city in Karnataka to have all modes of transport: air, road, rail and sea, along with 5 other major cities in India. Mangaluru is the first startup city of India and known as the gateway of Karnataka. Mangaluru is the second best business destination in Karnataka after Bangalore and 13th best in India. Mangaluru has the second largest airport in Karnataka. Mangaluru port handles 75% of India's coffee and cashew exports. This coastal city was ruled by several major dynasties including Kadambas, Alupas, Vijayanagar Empire, Keladi Nayaks. The coastal city Mangaluru, known as also Kudla, was rated as the safest city in India by Chicago Tribune this year. Mangaluru is well known for classical dance forms and folk arts Yakshagana, tiger dance and so on. Mangaluru has the credit of having MNCs and big industrial step-ups namely BSF, MRPL, MCF, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Plant, ONGC, Mangalore Petrochemicals Limited, JBF Petrochemicals, Infosys, Special Economic Zone, etc. Mangaluru has seen progressive development in between 1980 to 1990. A. Shamar Rao was born in 1909 at Arur, a village in Udupi Taluk. He got his early education in Kadpadi, Udupi and Mangalore and later obtained BA and LT degrees from Madras University. His interests in different walks of life led him to take up a varied course such as secretarial practice, scouts training and first aid. His wife Srimati Indirama Shamar Rao supported the founder by acting as his friend, philosopher and guide. Late Sri A. Shamar Rao began his illustrious teaching career in Mangalore in 1939. He was the founder headmaster of well-known SVH Higher Secondary Residential School from 1943 to 1956. He retired as headmaster of BEM High School, Mangalore in 1969. Even after retirement, he continued to be active in the field of education and social service. In the year 1988, inspired by the vision of Sri A. Shamar Rao and Srimati Indirama Shamar Rao, the leading chartered accountant of South India, Sri C.A. Raghavendra Rao, established A. Shamar Rao Foundation with an avowed aim of imparting education which could mold the character of the students and make them responsible citizens of the country. It was a firm belief of our founder Utkarsh Rao and Srimati Indirama that education is a tool to transform society. Today, the foundation sponsors a plethora of education institutions which constantly strives to realize their dreams and ideas. A. Shamar Rao Foundations. Srinivas Group of Colleges is an endeavor to develop a center of excellence, imparting quality education to generate competence and skill to meet the scientific, technological, managerial and socio-economic challenges. Since 30 years, the foundation has established many milestones serving mankind, manages a plethora of institutes and other social service organizations. Excellence is a hallmark of Srinivas Group of Colleges. Excellence which will deliver professional manpower to the industry and the nation at large. The group has constantly strived to provide the best of faculty members and state-of-the-art facilities. The students are encouraged and supported not only to excel in academics, but also to develop their personality through co-curricular, extracurricular activities and other extension activities. That is Samagra Jnana, comprehensive knowledge blended with knowledge and skills. Visionary Sri C.A. Raghavendra Rao, born on 16th October 1937, completed his education in SVS School in Nanjing, then joined SVH High School. Sri Raghavendra Rao pursued his graduation in commerce at the MGM College in Udupi and came to Mangalore to pursue his higher education in chartered accountancy. He started his career with one staff in his office and now 75 employees work under his CA firm. Reaching the present position he holds has not been easy and has involved a lot of hard work, commitment and sacrifice. Served as secretary and president of number of organizations, including Kannada Chamber of Commerce and Industry, CA Students of Association Madras, member of Customs Advisory Committee for the Karnataka Customs Collectorate, and chaired many taxation and accounting seminars held at Madras, Belgaum, Mangalore. Sri Raghavendra Rao is the only CA from the region to be elected for the council since inception in 1949 and set up his independent practice as chartered accountant at Felix Pai Bazaar, Mangalore in 1965. Today, Raghavendra Chartered Accountants has 7 branches across South India. Sri Raghavendra Rao started the first 3-star pure vegetarian hotel of Karnataka at Mangaluru in 1984 and started his first professional degree college, Srinivas College of Hotel Management, in August 1988. The strength of the college was only 7 students in inaugural year, and it was affiliated under the BHM degree discipline by Mangalore University. The second year, the strength was 11 and the number of students went on increasing every year. Now it has 100 students every year. In 1993, he set up the Srinivas College of Physiotherapy, affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science and well known for its quality teaching with postgraduate teachers and a research center. After that, he went on setting up a new degree colleges in various fields of education. Today, about 13,000 students in 18 colleges of Srinivas Group are spread in 3 campuses in Mangaluru, Pandeshwar, Valachil and Mukka are being prepared for life by more than 4,000 well-qualified teaching and supporting staff. Dr. A. Srinivas Rao, Vice President of A. Shamar Rao Foundation and Srinivas Group of Colleges and Pro-Chancellor of Srinivas University, Mangalore, has pursued his BBM degree, PGDM, CA and received doctorate degree in education management for his thesis on quality in higher education, a case study of Srinivas Institute of Management Studies from Ashley University, an international university based on California. The Srinivas Group of Colleges has recognized the contribution of Dr. Srinivas Rao in managing higher education institution effectively since 30 years. Dr. Srinivas Rao was the president of Kannada Chamber of Commerce and Industry for 2 times in years 2004 and 5 and 2005 and 6. The trustee of the new Mangalore Port Trust for the period of 2 years from 2005 and 2007. Appointed as one of the directors of Special Economic Zone, served as secretary during 1998-1999 and as vice president during the year 2003 and 4. He served in the chamber as executive committee members for 12 years and treasurer of Rotary Club of Mangalore for the year 2003 and 2004. Professor Dr. Peraduru Sri Ramana Aithal has 27 years experience in teaching and research and 15 years experience in administration. He has worked as a principal and director at Srinivas Institute of Management Studies. He has the credit of taking Srinivas Institute of Management Studies, Mangaluru to 4th rank among top 1000 business schools in Global Business School, ranking announced by Elsewhere's SSRN Research Network, USA during January 2018. Having 4 master degrees in physics with electronics, computer science, information technology and e-business. He got his first PhD degree in physics from Mangalore University in the area of non-linear optical materials and second PhD degree in business management from Manipal University in the area of mobile banking. He worked as a postdoctoral research fellow at Lasers and Quantum Optics Division, Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. Dr. Aithal has been selected for the prestigious Overseas Fellowship at Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Better opportunity for young scientists in chosen area of science and technology. Fellowship and did postdoctoral research at Center for Research and Education in Optics and Lasers at University of Central Florida, Orlando, USA. Srinivas College of Hotel Management, Mangaluru, established in the year 1988. Srinivas College of Hotel Management is one of the pioneer hotel management institution in India. Has been consistently ranked among the best hotel management colleges in the country. It was the first college to offer hotel management degree program in Mangalore. Srinivas College of Physiotherapy was established in the year 1993 to offer undergraduate degree program BPT at Pandeshwar campus in Mangaluru. The college started postgraduate degree program MPT in 2000 and in the year 2008. The Srinivas College of Physiotherapy was upgraded as a research center, credited as the first center affiliated by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Karnataka. The college provides excellent academic and clinical facilities to the student. It also, as an active alumni, has over 1,000 students across the globe. The college has excellent infrastructure for academics, sports, and other extracurricular activities. For abroad placements, the college has tie-up with Care Partners, a leading healthcare provider in North Carolina, USA. Srinivas College of Physiotherapy and Research Center is the first college to provide general education credit course to meet the US equivalent educational credits in physiotherapy. The College of Business Management and Commerce, earlier known as Srinivas Institute of Management Studies, was established in the year 1999 to build enthusiastic quality professionals in the field of management, information technology, and social work affiliated to Srinivas University and is recognized by All India Councils for Technical Education, New Delhi. The institute offers two post-graduation courses, Master of Business Administration and Master of Computer Application. The college is committed to provide a learning environment which ensures comprehensive development of students and make them competent, confident, and good citizens. The College of Management and Commerce believes in serious academic pursuits and encourages original and innovative thinking with regard to national and internationally relevant ideas and policies through intellectually stimulating debates and discussions at all levels. The college has built its reputation with the dedicated goal of adding value to life and professional standards. The College of Computer and Information Science, Pandeshwar, established in the year 1999. The college is envisioned to offer courses which would build the students into enthusiastic quality professionals in the field of computer science and information technology. The college is located in the heart of Mangaluru city. Connected with the central railway station, offers excellent learning atmosphere. Students are exposed to the variety of curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities that transform them into dynamic change agents who are able to make a difference by their presence wherever they are. Students from different parts of country and regions who enroll in the college make it truly inclusive and multicultural. The college promotes research in relevant fields of computer and information science, offers PhD program in accordance with the regulations of the university. Srinivas First Grade College, Pandeshwar, established in the year 1999 to build enthusiastic quality professionals in the field of management and information technology. The institute over these 20 years has proved its academic discipline and quality-oriented system of education and has the reputation of the best academic results and placements in well-known companies. The institute has produced several rank holders in the university examinations and has proved itself to be one among the best business schools to study in. Srinivas Institute of Social Work, Pandeshwar, a unit of Srinivas Institute of Management Studies, established in the year 2001. The institute is an esteemed postgraduate center for social work education in Mangaluru, imparting quality and value-based education to students from both rural and urban communities. The college offers MBA, MCA, MSW. The institute has all the inbuilt infrastructure and excellent opportunities to pursue academic and research affiliated to Srinivas University. Srinivas Institute of Nursing Science, Valachil, established in the year 2003, in the dynamic center of nursing education and excellence under the banner of Srinivas Group of Colleges. The college offers undergraduate and postgraduate degree programs affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Bengaluru. All programs are recognized by the Government of Karnataka, Karnataka Nursing Council and Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. The college has its own clinical facility in Srinivas Hospital, Mukka. A. Shama Rao Nursing School, established in the year 2003 at Valachil campus, offers 3 years duration diploma in general nursing and midwifery program. The college is affiliated to Karnataka State Nursing Examination Board, Karnataka State Nursing Council and Indian Nursing Council. The college has clinical tie-up with Srinivas Hospital, Mukka for clinical experience. Srinivas College of Pharmacy, Valachil, established in the year 2004, offering diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral degree courses in pharmacy affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Karnataka and approved by All India Council for Technical Education and Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. The college is located at Volachil campus with picturesque surroundings. The campus has salubrious climate throughout the year, providing the best environment for the studies along with the state-of-the-art facilities to the young aspirants. Vijay Lakshmi Institute of Hospitality Science Pandeshwara, established in the year 2004, with in order to enhance the skill set of individuals looking for the career in the tourism and hotel industry. The institution aims to the source of skilled manpower to the hotel and allied industries in India and abroad. Vijay Lakshmi Institute of Hospitality Science offers 3-year Bachelor of Science degree program, BSc in Hospitality Science and BSc in Interior Design and Decoration affiliated to Mangalore University. Education has the power of transforming an individual for the betterment of himself and the society at the large. With this vision, Srinivas College of Education was established in the year 2004 with the aim of developing dynamic teachers who can take up the responsibility of molding the students and their life to become a responsible citizens. The college imparts innovative and qualitative professional education to the aspiring teachers through modern, sophisticated techniques of teaching yet without losing the flavor of traditional teaching methodology. The college offers 2 years duration B.Ed degree program affiliated to Srinivas University. Srinivas Institute of Technology Volachil, established in 2006 with the aim of producing world-class technology graduates tuned to the demands of the fast-changing global village. Srinivas Institute of Technology has gained the name as the best self-financed engineering college in Karnataka in terms of infrastructural facilities. About 5,000 plus students are pursuing higher education in 15 departments of 9 undergraduate programs in mechanical, computer science, information science, electrical and electronics, automobile, nanotechnology, marine and electronics, and communication engineering. The college also offers MBA degree, MCA degree, 3 postgraduate programs in engineering, and PhD degree in 5 research centers. The efforts are directed to accommodate and address the expectation of each student by way of enabling them to participate in the seminars, workshops organized within the outside of the institute. The institute is also engaged in supporting the students to refine the necessary skills, attitude and aptitude towards a corporate placement process in the campus by way of periodical competitive tests and group interaction exercises. The institute firmly believes that its graduate is an emissary to engineering industry, and so there are no efforts spared to ensure that you will have the benefit of complete engineer working for you. In an era of stiff competition, success can only be achieved if one makes the right kind of endeavor at the right time and in the right direction. The college endeavor to equip the graduates with both technical knowledge and management skills, so that they may contribute to the industry while achieving excellence as a professionals. Srinivas Integrated Campus Mukka, established in the year 2009, is the first integrated campus in Karnataka state to get the approval by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, to start multidisciplinary courses in technical education. The campus is located at Mukka, about 20 km from Mangalore along the National Highway 66 towards Udupi. Srinivas University College of Engineering and Technology Mukka, earlier known as Srinivas School of Engineering, established in the year 2009 at Srinivas Integrated Campus. The college offers undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD degree programs in civil, mechanical, electronics and communication and computer science and engineering affiliated to Srinivas University. The college was established with the objective of preparing professional, knowledgeable and skilled engineers in different fields of engineering. The college campus is developed in the lush green environment with the high-tech classrooms equipped with the multimedia facilities, state-of-art laboratories and infrastructural facilities, high-speed Wi-Fi internet connection and e-library facilities with the aim of providing technical education, professional training, soft skills training, and research facilities in the field of engineering technology and management science as per as international standard, with the aim of creating technically sound engineers and decision makers who can establish themselves successfully in the industry and global market. Having well qualified and experienced faculty members, Srinivas University College of Engineering and Technology is on the threshold of the quantum leap.
Renewable energy for us, a new energy for us, new road director for us, new motivator to all of us.
Fund of information, fund of latest technology, what our industry is having, we thought that we will take the benefit of it. And when we do that, when we incorporate that in the syllabus, when he says about skill, I will tell you it is not only for the engineering course, he was mentioning even the medical course, even the dental course.
ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜನ್ಮ ತಳೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಹುತೇಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಭಾಷೆ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ನಡತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ವಿದ್ಯೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಲಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆದರ್ಶ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಭಿನಂದನೀಯ ವಿಷಯ, ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ ವಿಷಯ.
Medical education has tremendous scope in developing countries after globalization due to intelligent and dedicated manpower availability. In order to cater the need of service-oriented skilled doctors for the society, Srinivas Institute of Medical Science and Research Center and Srinivas Hospital was established in the year 2012. The establishment of super specialty hospital with 23 departments and an associated world-class medical college with annual intake of 150 students for MBBS and mentor at least 20 research scholars every year for deserving candidates for the dream of President Shri C.A. Raghavendra Rao and the Vice President Dr. Srinivas Rao. Srinivas Hospital Mukka, established with an objective to provide affordable medical service to the community with the skill, knowledge, and resource to prevent, diagnose, and treat diseases. The hospital is ideally located adjacent to the National Highway 66 between Mangaluru and Udupi to serve people of coastal Karnataka and Malenadu region. The hospital is equipped with the up-to-date medical technology and facilities to provide modern state-of-art medical treatment to the poor and needy. The institute is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of the Health Science, Bengaluru, and approved by Medical Council of India, New Delhi. Srinivas Institute of Dental Science, one of the prestigious institution of A. Shamarao Foundation Education Trust, started in the year 2012 with undergraduate course in dentistry with an annual intake of 100 students. Srinivas Institute of Dental Science is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Bengaluru, and approved by Dental Council of India, New Delhi, and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Srinivas University Mangaluru is a private research university in Karnataka, established in 2013 by Karnataka State Act. Srinivas University is the flagship of 18 Srinivas Group of institutions started by A. Shamarao Foundation, Mangalore, a private charitable trust founded in 1988 by an eminent chartered accountant Shri C.A. Raghavendra Rao. The university has made innovations in designing and starting new super specialty programs both in UG and PG level as per present and future industry relevance. Innovation in examination system through focus on continuous evaluation to make it foolproof. The university has established networking with many industries, universities, and education services providers to substantially improve the quality and weightage of courses and degrees respectively. Presently, Srinivas University has 8 colleges offering innovative industry-oriented specialized courses of UG, PG, and research levels.
I am happy that Srinivas University is celebrating their annual day today, which I wanted to participate, but unfortunately I have been busy with something else. But I assure you one thing, that whatever new ideas will be generated from your thinking will be taken to the logical conclusion. Universities are most important centers of excellence, centers of ideas, centers of new thinking. I am sure Srinivas University will show the way as to how we should really bring in new ideas into reality. Thank you very much. Congratulations.